Hey guys, it's Jackie here and welcome back to my YouTube video. And today we're doing a Skeet makeup tutorial. First we gotta tie up our hair because we don't want that nappy thing on our head. Then we're just gonna take some eyeliner. I don't care what eyeliner you use, and we're just gonna put some tattoos on our face because we're just gang like that, you know. Then at the bridge of our nose, we're gonna put the word no on there. You can't really see the word that well because you know I'm really bad with eyeliner, so yeah, you just bear with it. Then on the wait, is it the right or the left? It's the right. No, wait, the left. To the left side of the face, we're gonna put the two letters R and E. Then on the left side of our face, wait, is it the left or is it the right? On the right side of our face, we're gonna put the letters G-E-R-T, and that spells out no regrets, kiddos. Yes, no regrets. Haha. Then at the bottom of our chin, we're gonna put the two numbers 6 and 9. Then on the right side of our face, yes, the right side of our face, we're gonna put the sign of the cross. Then at the bottom of the sign of the cross, on the right side of our face, we're gonna put the words Jesus. And this is what the right side should look like. On the left side of our face, we're gonna put the smiley face. You know, just gotta be positive. Then we're gonna put these sexy sunglasses on that I found in my mom's closet. You can find it anywhere, like a trash can, like dumpster, you know, anywhere. And now we're gonna put on these nice and big hoop earrings, you know, just the biggest you can find. Then you take any thrash sheer paper and just stick it on your shirt. It works. And then just stick on an Adidas hat and you're completely finished with the ski look.